So if you're an Excel user and you might understand that for every different data type, you use different functions. For date data type, you use date functions. For numbers, you use number functions. For data cleaning, you use sorting, filtering and whatnot. So what if I tell you there is one single function which can replace 200 functions in Excel? It can also help you to get the insights from the data. Yes, I'm talking about a new Copilot function which is available now in the beta version for limited users. Remember, this function can save minimum 15 days to 30 days in 1 year. So let's understand how this paid version of Copilot function can save a lot of time with these functions. So I have a data, you can see the name of the person and the date of birth. If I want to calculate the age of a person, I'll use a simple prompt, okay, a simple function named as equal to Copilot. Now this comes in the paid version of Copilot. All general users may not have it. I'll just write a simple prompt over here that calculate age in years, months and days. And then I can select the cell in which the date data type or the date field is there, press enter. That's it. A very simple command. And now I can just drag down. So I'll be getting the age of all those people in years, months and days. Somewhere you'll find some issues because it's in the beta version. Very soon it will be better right now, which is there. And if you give a better prompt, it will give the better output. The second one is the text option. I have a prefix first name and last name column. Now there is a data which doesn't have a consistency. Some text is in uppercase, some text in the lowercase, some text is having blank spaces in between. So I have written here 3 data cleaning steps. The first would be convert all the data to uppercase. I want all the data in the uppercase. Combine the first 3 columns. I don't want 3 columns, I want 1 column. Remove the unwanted spaces between the data. Now here I can write a simple prompt here equal to Copilot. Now remember, I want to perform this activities on this particular data, perform this on this data. So I'll write a simple layman language. I'll say them perform this, double quotes, close and the comma. I can select this data and I can log the cells. So perform this, which is given in the cells, comma, on. I'm just adding the text as on which particular data, on this selected data here, enter. That's it. So this is basically a prompt. It has converted all into uppercase, combine the first 3 columns and remove the unwanted spaces. Now if I want to add some extra space, I'll write one more additional data cleaning step and that will be done. So let's see the other example of dates. I have dates given here in the format of MMDDYY and I want to extract this data sets or year, month, quarter, day, name of the day, name of the month, week of the year from this particular data. Usually a normal person will write 7 functions. Now, without writing any function, how do I get all the answers? So the method would be very simple. We write as equal to Copilot. Okay, so I'll say get this, comma. So what I want is I want to get this data from this particular date. So I'll say get this, select this cell, and I need to learn about the mixed referencing and comma. So I can put here from, close the double quotes and comma, and now I can select this data over here. Now also I need to do the fixed referencing part, enter, that's it. So I have given a simple layman language. So get this from this particular data and I can scroll on the right hand side. Within few seconds, I will get all the answers. So this gave me the month, this gave me the quarter, this gave me the day, name of the month, year. Now these are only 7 for learning purpose. Imagine if there are 70 functions as well, you can still get the output very, very quickly. The next, we have something named as sentiment analysis. Imagine I have received a feedback from all those people and the feedback is not of 1 or 2 sentences, it's very lengthy. So I want to understand whether the feedback is positive, negative or neutral. So basically it's known as sentiment analysis. I'll write a simple prompt over here. Let's say as equal to Copilot. So I've given a prompt as get sentiment analysis and write as positive, negative or neutral, close double quotes, comma, from which particular data, from cell number P2, enter. That's it. And what will happen is within few seconds, I've got the sentiment analysis, whether it's positive, negative or neutral. Now let's see about the negative part. So negative said, I found the session quite confusing at times. The pace was too fast and I struggled to keep up with the explanation. This is a negative feedback. Now I can do the pivot table and find out the count of positive, negative and neutral feedback here. That's what you call sentiment analysis. So let us see one more example. I have list of all the addresses which I've collected from different locations, but the problem is the data and the address is not in a proper format. Let me show you an example. The phone numbers, the contact numbers are sometimes at the end, sometimes in the beginning, sometimes in the middle of the address. So it's very messy, and cleaning this kind of data becomes very difficult. So if I want to extract only the mobile phone numbers or only the name of that person, it is a very tedious task. With the help of Copilot, this work has become very easy. Let's try to understand. A simple prompt can give the output. So the prompt would be equal to Copilot. So I can say extract this, comma, and I'll select this particular data. For time being, I'll just select 3 options from here, log the cells, and I can say from and comma, and as of now I'll just pick up 3 to 4 data sets and then log the data, close the bracket, enter. That's it. Within few seconds I have got the data here. Since I've extracted only few records, I've got the output here. Let's see the last example. I have the option as profit and loss. So here comes the profit and loss statement, but how do I explain this profit and loss statements? So before I go for a meeting, I can just write a simple function over here, Copilot. So I've just given a simple prompt as equal to Copilot, get detailed insights about profit and loss from this particular data. I'll just scroll down and I can press enter. That's it. A very simple prompt. This will give me an understanding about the entire profit and loss statement, and you can see step by step everything it has explained. So it says total revenue is 331,000 and against a budget. You see that's a 331,000 against the budget of 3 particular thousand here. So if I try to do it manually, it will take a lot of time for me. But using this Copilot function, it is super duper easy. So I hope you've understood the function about Copilot. Super interesting. It's a paid version feature, and I wish you all the best. Keep trying about this Copilot, and it is very interesting tool.